Hello folks, welcome back. Another almost daily vlog. I've already made a mistake because yesterday afternoon I should have done another video and I didn't do it. So this is a Friday morning video and I'll probably do another recording right at the end of the day so we don't end up with a missed day. I'm not going to spend too much time out here because it's really windy today, although right now it doesn't seem too bad, but let's just pan around. Loads of cars in here again. What have we got? This one came in yesterday, this black one came in yesterday we've done a load of work on this. This is actually the car that was in our video of how to do the rear seals and arches. Unfortunately, his wife had a bit of an incident and crashed it, so we put another wing on there for him, second-hand wing we had. A few other bits and bobs out there, but we won't go through everything. I'll just go through into the workshop now. I've had a customer just arrive, so I'll see if I can get Chris to deal with them. Bear with me a moment. Chris, there's a customer just arrived that I think's dropping a car off. I'll carry on the video. Right, so let's see how Roy's got on with this rear seals and arches one.
I'm punching holes.
Nice bit of penetration there, mate.
Bit early that for a Friday morning, mate.
Is it ever too early?
No. Never too early, mate. Never too early.
Right, how are we getting on?
Not a massive amount of change. I spent the day yesterday cleaning and making cutting panels. So this side is obviously finished. Inner arch is done. Inner arch tub's done. So that's all finished.
This one was quite bad, wasn't it? Because it was all gone up here.
I had to rebuild a section in here as well, which is all done.
And you did a bit down there as well, didn't you?
Oh yeah, and this it rotted away here. So the actual tab had rotted away as well. So I had to remake the back of the tab and then remake the end of this and weld it all back together. So I've done that.
And where was this one on the last vid? You just spot welded this all in, hadn't you?
Yeah.
I think if I remember rightly.
Yeah, I think that was all welded in.
Yeah.
So obviously it's all ground back. The jacking point's now finished.
And I think you just
So yeah, jacking point's all finished.
Yeah.
So that's all done.
Tickety boot.
The other side, it's just a case of yesterday just getting panels cut. So we've got obviously seal plate.
Yeah, not much difference on this side.
No, and obviously getting your panel ready to go, be rolled in. So I've done that.
Oh yeah.
Done this section yesterday. That's all done. So obviously the result of you get that and then you get that and then you magically melt them together.
Cool.
And comes one.
So this will all be done later today, then?
This, this.
No, the whole car.
Oh no, not the whole car.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, it'll be to the point where the outer panel just wants to be doing this side. Because I've got all the jacking point ready to do.
I see you started cleaning this up. Is that almost ready to go on?
I'm
your
just
outer?
punching the holes and then I'll be welding that on. So I get that done this morning.
Cool.
And then I'll jump on the other side and do all the structure.
Cool. Okay, Roy.
All right.
All good.
All good.
Right, Ash. That's all right. Yeah, you can make noise, can't you? Right, should we start with the red one? Is there much progress on that? I don't mean there is there? I think you did some stuff.
Yeah, the back edge of that one.
Right.
I think this side hasn't changed, but I think last time that was just a hole, so.
Right. Okay. And that's almost ready to go on. Alright, we haven't investigated the back of it anymore. There's a little kink there, isn't there? From that accident. We'll straighten that.
Yeah. Doesn't look like it's damaged the boot floor. It looks like it's that bit that just comes down a bit further. So.
Alright, okay. And then this one, I don't know if this has appeared in any of the what's going on in the workshop videos. It's been with us quite a while. It's a car that came in for sort of some work and grew at a time when we were extremely busy anyway, so we sort of struggled to keep up with it really. So, but this has now had what was it? Rear seals arches. I think it had a wing, chassis rails. We had to take the engine out or take the subframe off the bottom and remove the sump to seal a pretty serious oil leak at the back of the sump. And it's had a full repaint, and it's just going back together, isn't it?
Yep.
We were hoping to get it out Saturday, but that's not going to happen because, as is quite often the case in this like this, is sometimes there's a gotcha which means you just can't get it done. And that one on this one is we need to send off a wheel for refurbishing, so that will go off today and come back on Tuesday. So this will be ready to go next week. Screen's being fitted today, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so screen's going back in today. Yeah, looking really nice after the respray. So it will get reassembled. Let's go on to Grant. Morning, Grant.
Morning.
Um,
Get this one up because you
yeah.
show the viewers.
Yeah, well this is our low 13,000 mile Mark 2.5 Icon. Front bumper, as I said in the last video, or one of the last videos, front bumper went off to be painted, and that was because it looked like it had like a chips away kind of repair on the front here. It just didn't look 100%, so we sorted that out, and it had a tiny, really tiny scuff sort of here and a bit up there, so we wanted it to be perfect, so that's what we've done. And the mirrors, you've got the mirror somewhere, have you?
Yeah.
Actually, this would be a good opportunity to show that colour in the sun there.
Oh, yeah.
We really get really nice colour. We haven't seen many in this colour. I think it might have been some of the very last ones. It's like a metallic pearl black. Nice.
The flesh is beautiful. Yeah. Really love it.
So yeah, I thought we'd just show the underside of this, and just how clean it is. And being one of the last ones, first of all, let's go down the seals. There's mud there, obviously. That will get cleaned. But yeah, just no sign whatsoever of any rust. Original spot welds are all there. This seam, perfect. I can get in there, all around there, all the spot welds there, just looking absolutely fantastic. All around the arch, brilliant. So these these last of the Mark 2.5s, they changed how the stone chip was done. And I think it was literally the last run out models, whereas normally you would have an actual hard line around here and down the length of the car. On these very last ones, they kind of faded it out, so it sort of blended. So it is still stone chipped, but it just blends away. And the underseal was completely different as well. It's much. You got a torch, Grant? It's almost like a sheet material. It's what we believe they were doing was testing before the Mark IIIs. But I mean, you can see how clean this car is. It's just amazing, really. You don't get many like this. So yes, this one will be up on the website. Hopefully, I'll take some pictures today if the weather allows, and we'll get it on the website this afternoon with a bit of luck. So yeah, if anyone's interested in that, by the time this video goes out, it'll already be on the website, and hopefully already sold, but probably not. But yeah, that's what it's like underneath, as you can see. Really nice car to get hold of. Right. Okay. Cheers, Grant.
No worries.
All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.